Hi Nat, I have received your email. So what I will do now, I will create dummy stubs. Basically, I create 3 pages, dummy stubs, and have your images actually included in them so that you could actually go in and start doing editing at a later date. So here's what I'm going to do. First, I'll log in to your website, citrus.com.sg. Oops. Log into this then. And then what I'll do next, I will create 4 different pages, or rather our business is. Okay, so we already have the our business is page. So for this page, I'll put in the four images you see over here, which is quite simple. First, I click add an image, choose file, our business. Okay, and then I will click open. Just like that. So simple. And then I click show, float left, make the size like this, insert this one, so some contents over here. Some contents over here. Over here. Okay. Div. I'll do this for demarcation purposes, and then let's try to click on this again, but this time since you already have the images in the gallery, you will not need to reinsert the images. Just click on the gallery tab, click on energy, select this and float left and insert into pose. Alright, next just what we can do is to just I actually wanted to have it like that. Okay, tell what. For this, right, let's change it to something else. Let's not have a float. No? Let's just have non-float and just change it to a thumbnail, a smaller size. That is much better. It's too big and looks too ugly. Yeah, right. So some contents, and then we can insert this one, non-thumbnail, insert into pose, and then we can have like one more over here, commodities, this bulk material, insert into it. And then here, last one, timber picture. Do we have timber picture already? Energy citrus, yeah, timber picture. Okay, voila, simple. So this should work. Let's just update. And then once you're done, just click on this tab. Our business is it shows up over here. Okay, next. Let's create one more page for our banks. Okay, add new, our banks. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 banks. Same thing, repeat the same process. Insert files and our banks. Okay, here's the really cool way to actually display all your bank logos without having to state anything at all. Just now was actually where you actually want to write something for each image. Now let's just close this, reopen this. You see gallery? This tab would actually show up when you have something inside. Now, gallery columns, tree, sending image attachment file, and just insert gallery. So it show up like this, our banks. Simply have this published, right? And then click on all pages. Quick edit, disallow comments. Now go to menus, and then over here select our banks, add to menu, right, save. If you do a refresh, if you click on our banks, voila, it just shows up like that, 3 columns. In fact, if you don't like it showing up as 3 columns, you can change it to 4 columns. To do so, click on all pages, edit our banks, delete this, and then click on this again, gallery, 4. Insert gallery, click update. And then if you do a refresh, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple as that. Okay, last but not the least, let's actually put in the partner pages. Add new, our partners. So we have our partners. Which is over, back up images, our partners. Over here, just click on this again, simple. Click select, and then select all of them. Yeah, like that. Close. Click on this again, like that, and then make it 3. Insert gallery, publish. And then once you're ready, just click on this, add to menu, our partners. If you want to change the capital casing, right, just change it at the page title. Click on all, and click edit, thanks. Very simple. Voila. So if you do a refresh, our banks from small letter B to capital letter B. Just as simple as that. Okay, that's it for this tutorial.